Hi everyone, welcome back to Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a callaloo and saltfish recipe. I hope you guys enjoy. Now here, as you can see, a list of my ingredients: my callaloo, my black pepper, my saltfish. This is just for display. I had already boiled my garlic, my onion, tomato, my bell pepper, and I'll be adding okra to it, my olive oil. Let's get. Okay guys, look at that. This is just a share in my dish to show you how it looks. I'll have another presentation with my boiled food. Enough respect to all of those who out there subscribe to my channel and are watching my video full length. Thank you very much. Now first I'm going to dice the okra, so I'm going to get rid of the bottom and the top. I know with Jamaican we love okra, so we add it to any dish where we are dealing with, you know. So I'm just cutting off the bottom of them. So I'm just have to just dice them up. Add them to my little dish. So as I said, everybody, the saltfish is on the stove. So while I'm getting that boiled, I just prepare all the ingredients. The okra, now I like to take the seeds out of my tomato. I don't cook the seeds, so I can see them before I cut them up. Now you can cut them up in any shapes and sizes that you would like, whatever suits you. Alright, I'm going to get these off the board. Make sure I get rid of all the seeds. Alright, I'm going to just cut them up into smaller pieces. Alright, put them into my bowl now. Gonna prepare the onion and the garlic. Now guys, I'm gonna prepare the rest of the cutting up off camera because I don't want the video to be lengthy. So I'm just gonna dice the garlic and make it smaller. Now on to my onions. You know, I love my colors them in my dish, so I always love my purple onions. I love my bell pepper them, you know, give all a nice color in your dish, and the dish look colorful, man. Dish colorful and tasty. Now on to my bell pepper. Not gonna use a lot. Get rid of the seeds. And just do the process. So next when you see me, I'll be ready to prepare the dish. Okay, I'm back. So here you see I have my list of ingredients. What I'm going to do now is add a little oil to the pot. And just let that heat up a bit. Now I'm gonna add the herbs and just stir fry it for a little before I add the saltfish. Look at those colors, beautiful colors. People when you not cook, man, and use up on the colors, man. Use up on the vegetable and the herbs to make the pot look colorful. You see me? Yeah. As I said, I add the okra to give my thing a little, you know, zest. Alright, now go add the saltfish now. Oops, a little piece drop out. And just stir fry that. Add a little black pepper. Just for taste. And just stir that in. Next, when you see me, I'll be adding the callaloo. Okay everyone, I'm back. Now I'm gonna add the callaloo to the pot. Sorry about that, guys, it's spilling. Of course you might think that this is a lot of callaloo, but you know when you cut it up, it look enough. And when the heat take it now and it shrink, you realize you're at the right amount. So nobody watch, say the pot look full. So what I'm going to do here now is just cover the pot and make it steam. And when you see me next, I'll be checking it. Okay peeps, check up back on it. See, say it shrink down now. Yeah man, that's how you do when you have to cook vegetable, man. It might make the pot look overfull, but as soon as it shrink down, right on target. Look at those beautiful colors from the tomato and the onion and a little bright up from the garlic. So I will give it about 2 more minutes and then take it off and share it with some boiled food, you see me? Yeah. Okay everyone, there you go. The finishing touch. So what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Okay guys, here you go, you know, enjoy it, you know. Nobody watch the dumpling them out there stay. No good for the dumpling needed. So I hope you guys enjoy this lovely recipe of callaloo and saltfish. I'm going to share it with some boiled food. Enough respect of that.